Yeah, see, you can't see the tag.
Oh yeah, but he still drove up on us. You know, didn't you see after he drove up on us? I saw it when we were loading it. I checked for that.
Probably have to be pulling over sometimes.
No. I saw it when after we loaded it. I checked for that because I've been, you know, I've actually been told by what do you call those guys? The mountain guys, the national park guys. Yeah, he said I had, but it's because I had a case in front of mine. Mile marker 167.
The rest of our journey. It's gonna get old. Take the bikes off, put them in the RV.
Dude, how many cars we just seen with bikes pass us up? We covered the whole back of the car. Whatever. Gary, welcome to our world.
I think he's doing his job. I don't believe he did nothing wrong.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, this is pretty dangerous on the side of the road like this. Mississippi River. Illinois side, that's Missouri over there on that side. Garbage over there. Hey. Oh, let's see how obscure that plate was. That guy got us. I gotta take video of this license plate. Well, it's a little hidden, but you can still see it. I mean, I don't know what the big deal is. Yeah, I'm looking at the plate. I'm still stuck on the plate thing. Just so you people on the video, we got pulled over in Illinois for the plate. Here we are at what's this John? Is this John? What? I forgot what.
John Mayer.
Not John Mayer. Something recreational area. We're stopping here for some lunch. Get a picture of Precious. You know, it's nice in the shade. It's 90 degrees or something, but it's nice in the shade, yeah. Maybe because we've been sitting in the RV so long, we got used to it. Here we are inside the RV, and Gary's making some lunch, or us, we're gonna eat some lunch right now. Get back on the road. What's what we got there? Some more goodies. Yeah, the ham and cold cuts. Yeah, I'll take some tomato.
Yeah, tomato too. Give me a couple slices.
Yeah, this is the way it looks in the outside of the RV. There's the river again. And then there's, looking around here. So we came in over there that way, just before, still on the Illinois side. Alright, chow time. Looks like I'm driving after the lunch. I'm going to be handling the big rig.
Here we are cooking.
Nice.
Here we are cooking.
Nice.
You want some nice?
Lots of guys.
Notice how ready I was at the handle.
Yes. We're in, what is it, Salina, Kansas? Our neighbors over here. There's campground. There's our showers. We took showers last night. Oh.
Here we are roughing it over here. Just trying to get by.
I found the pool is over there by the walls right back there. This way, like straight that way. Right that way.
Check it out.
Pool isn't open till noon anyway, so. Yeah. We'll be out of here in a few. We got 7 more hours to drive. We have 420 more miles to go to Capolin Volcano. Capolin? Something like that. There's she's been handling, knock on wood, she's been handling good the trip. Cruise control on 61 the whole way. We're trying to keep quiet because it's 6:45 or something like that. Quiet time till 7 a.m.
Look at me helping out.
David's helping over here, you see? Good old hickey snook. I thought the guy was walking this way. I thought he was coming to take it. You guys can't cook before 7. I was walking in the bathroom, the guy was walking this way.
You said what?
I thought a guy was gonna.
I think it's cooking.
No, I don't need to stop it, no.
I thought I was gonna tell you guys to be, you guys gotta wait till 7 o'clock to start cooking.
Yeah, we didn't even hear, but the guys must have left here like at 5.
Oh yeah, no, look, this car there was a bunch of slips there. There's people up and around.
Yeah, I want them.
Why do you speak Spanish? I never know you don't want to.
Mira, aguanta la vera. ¿Qué? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres?
One more helado.
It's nice. Oh, we got a windmill back there.
They're big, but just from far away, look at their little heads. They're big.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at 46 Volcano on the right.
What do you think?
I think we should inspect it.
Want to look under the hood?
Everyday hot.
Yeah, I think so. We're gonna go up there. Yeah, we're gonna leave anyway because we're gonna get 10 miles to our campground.
It's way over.
What did we go to the bathroom?
Look at the pictures inside. Temperature, electric, good even?
Electric was good, man.
These guys just came down
We're
from
about
the
13
mountain.
months right now.
So it's about 10-minute round trip.
We're about to go up the mountain. David's driving over it.
Recording. 2 miles up, so.
See, it's not going to save your ass and falls over the cliff.
It's better handheld, maybe.
What's the speed limit?
Come on, Gary, let's go. 20 mile an hour, ah, man.
We're at 20 now.
We got
What's the
this.
speed limit? I'm gonna put my attention to the road, okay, guys?
Okay, go ahead. I recommend that highly. Look at that drop off right there, guys.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here next time. Look at that drop off.
Hey, the GPS is tracking where we are in the mountain.
You take your time, though. I got it on video for you.
Alright, thanks. I mean, I'm not scared of heights, but I want to.
No, just concentrate. You do that.
Everything looks good. Temperature.
Don't
looks
worry
good.
about temperature. Don't worry about them.
I'm trying not to go too fast. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, take your time. Doing good. Nice little valley we got here.
So it's a double yellow line, no passing.
Are you ready on your side, Oli?
Yeah, okay.
That's good. Yeah, there's plenty of room.
Yeah, plenty of room.
You got plenty of room
I'm actually comfortable. 20 miles an hour.
Feel free to take some of that yellow if you want. You go right ahead. Let's look at that. Yeah. Well, they're looking for the up, right? For the vertical. Still climbing. See how much more we got to go. Are you climbing to the bottom of the thing or no? Are you doing a hike or just gonna video?
Well, let's see how I feel because I'm out of breath when I get in and out of the RV already.
Oh yeah, we're 8,000. Just for the record here, we're at 7,000 at the base. We're gonna be at over 8,000 feet when we get to the top.
Going up to Sears Tower.
Big. Yeah, way. This is what? How many Sears Towers? 7 Sears Towers, 6 Sears Towers.
Temperature's good. Oil pressure's good.
Yeah, we
Voltage
got
is
a
almost
little-
at 14.
You got a little switchback coming up. Little
Slow
snake.
down.
Take your time. Little switchback right there. Oh, we got a guardrail.
Let's turn
Right?
here. Up over.
No, let's go. Nah, I wouldn't recommend it. It's emergency parking only, yeah. He's waiting for us up there. Park ranger is waiting for us at the top. He drove up here. Yeah, he got an SUV. He came up here. That's what we're paying extra for because.
Oh, we're stopping traffic.
Yeah, we're stopping traffic. That's why I said the park. Just for the record, all you home viewers, we paid an extra $25, right? $18 extra for the RV because they stopped the traffic. David could use the whole lane if he wants.
See, I didn't get all that.
He's just showing off. That's
You
all.
were,
But he could use the whole. He could use the whole road if he wants. I'm gonna ask him when we're done. I'm gonna ask him what's the real size of the biggest RV he can come up here. Because this looks like any big diesel pusher can do this easy.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I think that anyone can do it. Yeah.
Yeah, even though to me it's tight, but any halfway decent diesel pusher can do this. I think. I'm sure these. All right, brief. Here's the RV. Gary, your suggestion worked again. You're like the regular go-to fix-it guy now, man.
Nice. Some nice things over there.
We'll have to videotape on the way down again. Where we come in, huh? People are out there.
RV, but turn ankles.
Go ahead, we'll wait for you.
Horse flies all the tacklers.
Yeah. Get the horse flies.
Can I take a picture of my cell phone?
He was telling me the big tour buses come up here. Yeah, I figured that's the way the road.
RV and bus parking.
That's the end of the trail.
Well, actually, my toes
It's like the Grand Canyon. It's the up that's hard.
are bumping in front of me.
Take a picture. Because you got the lava flow going this way.
Oh, the ladybugs keep landing on me. Look. They like me. Hey, he's biting me. Stop it. There's the RV up there, the rim. There's Dave.
David, here's a good picture to try to get for you. Here going in here.
Hold on.
Because you got the lava flow.
You can't get more than one job at a time now. Come on. Stop trying to.
Dave. There's the lava flow. You can see it. So you might want to get
Gary's been very helpful with our.
He's out of breath already. He's not young like us.
This is all the lava flow on the bottom. There's the end of the trail. There's the trail.
Oh, why don't you have it? You got insurance.
What's it called? The what toe?
It's called the Morton toe.
I got a hammer toe. Dum 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 dum.
Dave, why don't you try it?
See the RV, Dave? Precious is up there.
And then you got the lava flow.
Where's Precious at? Right up there.
I'm an artist.
We're at the bottom of the volcano. Oh.
It's like a yellowish algae.
There's the rim. We're at the bottom. All the way around. There's the RV right there. Careful with the rocks on this side. Don't try to hug it too much.
Right. I know.
It should be clear.
Put my tire right on it.
There you go.
This thing's just charging up now, though.
It's good now.
Yeah, we're 14 volts. We're right in the.
Remember, they don't have that sand traps.
Is there a boat ride?
Yeah. We're in first gear.
It's okay. You're doing good. Your speed's pretty good too.
We got a little volcano. It's called Baby Capolin Volcano.
Oh, I see it. Normal drainage. Hey,
That's erosion.
that's how the toilets work up there. Just slide down. Gravity fed.
Rolled out of the mountain.
Look at the shale.
Yes, the guy started with it. There's the layers. See the layers? It's like shot
They
right
put the expert bulldozer driver on top. Bulldozer driver front end. He started cutting the little road out. Dropped him off for the
Wheels
helicopter.
and
I'm
donkeys, and then they opened it
worry
up.
about the roads wall going down the side of the wall.
Well, that's a barrier rock right there. It's
Yeah,
a
little
Overhang right there.
No, it can happen, but it's unlikely here. So it's different.
Back in France, I see boulders all over the road like that.
60,000 years.
My guy's my master.
Look at the deer. He's hopping along. Careful.
He's already gone.
That's right there in front of us.
Sure, he doesn't jump in front of you. Oh, yes, catch my video. There he goes.
What kind of deer is that?
Is that a volcano deer?
Are we just leave? Is that what we gotta do?
I don't know. I guess we'll wait till the guy goes. We'll have to see if the guy's waiting out there for us. Are you gonna take pictures in front? Yeah, he closed the entrance gate. Can you fit there? Or no? Perfect. Just wave him and thank him for his... You gonna take pictures in the front or no? By the sign?
No, I think we're good.
No, you're good? Gary did that already. We were busy working on the RV.